So this week, we sail across the Bligh Water. Yeah, we're on a short hop across the Bligh Water. To a hidden paradise, Savusavu. I hope you enjoy it. Bligh Water.
Here we are coming out of the market with all our stuff.
Okay, so we are now on a small passage here. And Sayo and the kids are up to their usual passage making activities. I laying on the couch. Miya hanging out with Mama.
Why don't we poke the monster if it'll wake up?
Heading from the South Island of Fiji across to the North Island, across what they call the Bligh Water, because Captain Bligh sailed through here many moons ago in his longboat after they mutinied him on the Bounty. And then those guys headed to Pitcairn Island with their lovely Tahitian women. It's really nice to be out sailing again. So we've arrived on the North Island.
Woo! That's exciting.
So I was checking her phone. And we made it across the Bligh Water. That was a
Do you
trip.
like the crossing? Why does it smell like fish all of a sudden?
My hands.
What were you doing?
Oh, I was eating fish.
Oh.
And we're now inside the reef, and it requires a bit of careful attention because there's reefs and coral heads and stuff that aren't really charted, so you kind of got to watch out for them.
Yeah, we've been sailing all day long.
Over there is a reef. The water is breaking on it, and it's sort of where the chart says it's supposed to be. Not quite exactly there, but close enough.
Chris has done a really good job of sailing the boat and keeping us on track.
Mia has something to say.
Don't let her bite your nipple.
Okay. Probably one more day to go till we hit Savusavu. Woo! We made it to Savusavu, right, Miya?
Only took us, what, 3 days? I love that building up there.
Hey, Mama.
Hi.
Do you like Savusavu?
I do. It's so pretty here. So pretty. A little strip. There's like one road and then little shops on either side and little cafes and restaurants.
It looks like a bustling metropolis of 30 boats in the marina, and now we'll make 31. I don't know, I'm excited. New landfall. What adventure awaits us there?
If we can find a spot to anchor. It's hopscotch for the kids on the beach. And we're in the bay. This is the bay here behind me. We're eating dinner here across the street. Nice land dinner. It's been a while since we had one of those. Looking forward to getting provisioned. Doing some exploration. Go get provisioned in a bit.
If you give me back my nose, Chris,
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you feed the fish one of the baby bananas, because then you might attract them suicidal.
Got your nose.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Provisioning. Hello, little baby. What are we getting?
We got some bananas,
Got
some
some
green
bananas.
bananas that'll last longer, some cassava, passion fruit, but I want to get more passion fruit, I just realized.
Some lemons?
Lemons,
What are the lemons for?
just for,
So we don't get scurvy?
just when we need lemons. So here we are coming out of the market with all our stuff.
We happened to arrive at Savusavu at the time where they're looking to queen Miss Savusavu, who will go to compete in Miss Fiji. And we stumbled onto a 7-day festival. They had what they called a Ferry's wheel, which was the extreme version of a Ferris wheel. We're on the Ferris wheel. What do you think about Savusavu?
I like it. It's very, I don't know, everybody's really friendly. It's nice and small and manageable.
And it's nice that where we're anchored is like right there.